Hi, my name is Joseph. Welcome back to my channel. Please subscribe to my channel, like this video so that you can motivate me in bringing you more videos. And please check out my previous videos which I made for you on how you can start earning money online, how you can get a free domain name. I have just prepared those videos just for you. And for this video, if you want to start earning money online, this is the right place for you, because I'm going to show you step by step how you can start earning money online. And please don't forget to subscribe and like this video. And I'm going to show you how you can earn money. You need to go to your browser, and this company is called creativelive, and it is offering classes for their students. And you need to invite someone to come here and take a class here. And if you look here, if you refer a friend, you will get $15. If you look here, you can see that if you refer a friend to come and take a class, and you will get $15. But don't rush to that. Just come to become an affiliate. You can see you can start earning money as low as $1 per click, from $1 to $10 per click. If you look here, for every new registration sign up, you will get $1. When they sign up using your referral link, you will get $1. And if you invite an affiliate, you will get $10. Some people ought to think that because if you invite an affiliate, you earn $10. I'm trying to manipulate you in signing up using my referral link so that I can get this $10. That is not the case, because this is all for you. I will not provide any link on the description. Just come to this creativelive and then sign up, because I want to help you without gaining anything. Refer as many people as you can. If, let's say for example, you invite 10 people who are going to sign up, just signing up, you will get $10. If you invite many friends as you can invite up to 50 friends. You can earn up to $50 per day. You can earn a lot of money using this website. This is the right place that you can start earning as little as $1 per click. And if you invite an affiliate, you will get $10 if they join using your referral link.